At Orange Fova, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while, and then click on power off, confirm by tapping on OK. And once your device is off, we have to enable recovery mode, so simply tap on power key and volume up key, hold them all together until you see the logo of Orange. That's it. And within a few seconds we will be in recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys and select the option by tapping on power key. So let me pick the option named wipe cache partition and tap on power key to select it. As you can see, it's wiping the cache. And that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete. So now we can reboot system now. Select the first option and tap on power key. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.